Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Pop Writing 2, 60 points. So this is our second pop writing. We know what it is, but let me remind you, pop writing is a creative writing and the topic is not announced ahead of time. You have little time to prepare for it. So that is our kernel of popcorn here. Okay, symbolizing the pop writing. All right, let's survey this assignment. What do we have? We have 3 links up here. We have a part 1 and we have a part 2. I'm going to ask you to click on the requirements and the discussion rubric on your own, and I will click on the timeline with you now. Okay, so our timeline for this assignment, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think that you cannot make this timeline, come over here to inbox, let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow, back into the assignment. I'm going to read part 1, 50 points with you. Write a story in which the conflict is immediately obvious. And what is a conflict, of course? By conflict, I mean relating to plot, of course. Plot and conflict are closely together, and I have the elements of story for you to review here if you need to. Okay, I'm going back into the pop writing, and I'm going to reread this direction. Write a story in which the conflict in the plot is immediately obvious. Do it in 6 words, as Ernest Hemingway apparently did in this 6-word story that is attributed to him. For sale, baby shoes, never worn. That says a lot, doesn't it? The baby is never born. It was anticipated, but the baby just didn't come. So we have a whole story there. Okay, part 2, worth 10 points, is our peer evaluation. After you have posted your pop writing, respond to 2 peers' postings offering constructive, gentle, kind, thoughtful, useful criticism. Did your peers succeed in making the conflict clear in 6 words? Each posting should be a minimum of 125 words, a half page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. Okay, I'm going to scroll up so we have our popcorn visible to us in this pop writing too. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. You're never ever bothering me when you email me. If you need to pass any ideas by me, you want to discuss them, or you have any questions or concerns, I'm here. Okay, let's have fun writing this assignment.